Hello guys, welcome to another video of part 2 Scratch. But this time, which you love that video, we will make points as you follow my steps if you want to follow for more Scratch video like. And subscribe, we'll go to Scratch on our project. Now, follow this coding now. Here is the coding, copy this to get the same result. And now, bye guys, see you in the next video.